टुडेज टॉप 10 MCQ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, विच इंडियन सिटीज पोर्ट अथॉरिटी हैज इनिशिएटेड द procurement process for its first green tug under the Green Tug Transition Programme? A. Mumbai, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Chennai, D. Kochi. So correct आंसर है वो है C. चेन्नई। क्वेश्चन सेकंड है, the Union Home Minister recently chaired the 32nd meeting of the Northern Zonal Council. Which of the following is not included in the Northern Zonal Council? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Delhi, D. Uttar Pradesh. So जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है D. उत्तर प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन थर्ड है, अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसेंट announcement, the 21st installment of Pradhan Mantri KISAN Samman Nidhi scheme is scheduled to be released on which date? A. November 17, B. November 19, C. November 25, D. December 1st. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है नवंबर 19। क्वेश्चन फोर्थ है, India recently filed a new record high number of patents applications. According to the latest assessment by the Ministry of Science and Technology, India has become the world's largest patent filer. A. 4th, B. 5th, C. 6th, D. 8th. So the correct answer है वो है ऑप्शन C. 6th. Question 5th है, which Indian states two beaches, Puri Golden Beach and Sonapur Beach, recently received the prestigious Blue Flag certification for the 25-26 cycle? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Odisha, D. Kerala. So correct answer है C. Odisha. Question number 6 है, what is the defined target depth for India's plan to build the world's deepest underwater research laboratory as part of the Deep Ocean Mission and Vision 2047? A. 2000 meters, B. 4500 meters, C. 6000 meters, D. 8000 meters. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन C. 6000 meters. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, India's first indigenous high precious and compact diode laser system was launched at ESTIC 2025. This technology is highly significant for the treatment of what? A. Acute infectious disease, B. non-communicable disease, C. respiratory disorders, D. autoimmune disease. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है non-communicable disease. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है, which traditional music instrument from the Lipcha community of Sikkim recently received a geographical indication tag? A. Pina, B. Mandar, C. Chiaburung, D. Iktara. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन C. क्वेश्चन 9 है, as per the recent government orders on the Green Tug Transition Programme, what is the target set for all the major ports in India to achieve an initial 50% share of green tugs? A. 2030, B. 2035, C. 2040, D. 2047. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 10 है, scientists from Banaras Hindu University developed 23 novel mutant varieties of Adam chini rice using mutagenesis. What is the primary characteristic of Adam chini rice that makes it unique? A. High yield under saline conditions, B. High protein content, C. Fragrant aromatic quality, D. Drought resistant. So correct answer है option C. Fragrant aromatic quality.